Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can set a background color for a WordPress website. So let's log into our website, and after that we want to add a background color to WordPress page. So guys, here you can see these are all the pages, and let's open one of the page. So this is website home page. So if I want to add a background color, how I can do that? Just click here, edit with Elementor. Make sure that you have installed Elementor Pro, and after that here you can see Elementor page builder is loading. And now we can edit any of the section. So if you want to add a background color to entire body section, but header and footer settings will be different from this. So let's go to settings. Here you can see in the corner, go to style, and after that here you can see background type, then add a color. So guys, here you can see color is added as a background in the body section, but if you want to add a color on the background of the header, there is a separate setting for that. Also here you can see footer background color is not changed. So this will only affect the body section of the page.